Welcome back to Sunstone Grills. We're looking at the 30-inch hybrid grill, and we're going to show you the different inserts that you can put into our grill. We're going to start with our grate system. Has an opening for a 15-inch pizza stone. Lift it out, insert your stone. Alright, the next insert we're going to put in with our pizza stone, we're going to show you is the griddle, which you can either put on top or remove. We're going to show you removed out of the grill and just insert. It's all 304 stainless steel griddle system with grease tray. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to take the griddle out and go with the next option, which is our Sear Plate, which is all 304 stainless steel, and it fits straight in replacement of the grill rack system. It has double layers allowing superheated air to make it a much hotter surface, so searing steaks, chicken, vegetables. Alright, we're going to switch out our Sear Plate and put in our fryer slash steamer, which is one of a kind for a hybrid grill. Again, it's all made of 304 stainless steel. It's got a lid. It's also got handles for pulling it in and out. Pull the lid off. It's got an internal basket for you, a large basket with handle. And underneath that, you'll see a perforated stainless steel bottom where you can put liquids and you can steam on if you want to put vegetables on top of that. You want to fry, you remove this plate and put in your food. Alright, we just showed you all the inserts available for the 30-inch and 42-inch charcoal grills, hybrid charcoal grills, as well as these go into our Ruby grills. If you have any questions or want to get yours, you can go to sunstonemetalproducts.com today.